Hello TTI family! In today's video, we join the talented team at Legion Craft, who are about to construct a complete, inexpensive house in just 10 days. From the first shovel of dirt to the final brick, every step of this build showcases smart engineering and efficient teamwork. The journey begins with precise site surveying. Metal stakes are driven into the ground at carefully measured coordinates to mark where each pile will be drilled. This layout ensures that the building's loads are evenly distributed across the entire foundation footprint. Once the locations are confirmed, workers begin drilling vertical boreholes, some using manual augers, others with mechanical drills to reach the required depth and stability. Next comes the reinforcement and concrete stage. Steel cages are fabricated and inserted into the drilled holes, forming the skeleton that will support the concrete piles. Fresh concrete is then poured to lock these reinforcements in place, creating a strong, stable base. After the piles set, the area is backfilled with sand, which is then densified using mechanical plate compactors to remove air pockets and ensure a firm surface. Once the subbase is prepared, the crew rolls out a polyethylene waterproof membrane to block ground moisture. Bright orange PVC pipes are then installed to create the network for sewage, waste, and ventilation systems. These are anchored securely with steel clamps to prevent any movement during concrete work. Over this setup, steel reinforcement mesh is laid out, preparing the slab for the big moment concrete pouring. The team continuously levels and monitors the pour to achieve a perfect, uniform surface. With the foundation cured, the focus shifts upward to the wall assembly. Legion Craft opts for autoclaved, aerated concrete blocks, a modern building material prized for its lightweight, insulation, and fire resistance. Each block is carefully placed using spirit levels and rubber mallets to maintain perfect alignment. Instead of traditional thick mortar joints, they use a thin bed adhesive, just 1 to 3 mm thick, applied with notched trowels for even bonding. This not only strengthens the structure, but also minimizes heat loss through the walls. To enhance structural integrity, steel reinforcement bars are embedded within horizontal grooves called bond beams cut into the AAC blocks. These act as tension-resisting bands that distribute lateral forces and prevent cracks, addressing AAC's natural weakness under shear stress. The result is a hybrid system, lightweight yet incredibly strong, energy efficient yet structurally sound. This clever combination of materials and techniques allows for larger window and door openings without compromising strength. Over each opening, reinforced lintels are added to redirect vertical loads and maintain the continuity of the wall. Finally, secondary concrete elements are cast alongside the main structure, including column supports, stair bases, and external edges, tying everything together into a cohesive, durable frame. From ground prep to final walls, Legion Craft proves that a well-planned, cost-effective home doesn't require months or massive budgets, just precision, teamwork, and 10 solid days of pure craftsmanship. Once the formwork, reinforcement cages, and filling are complete, the workers carefully pour fresh concrete into the molds. Every cement-related step is executed with precision and close supervision, from mixing ratios to curing times, ensuring consistent strength and durability. This attention to detail extends even to the exterior structural components, seamlessly linking the foundation with the outdoor elements that will surround the house. With the ground and lower structure in place, the project advances into one of its most critical stages, preparing for the roof installation. The process begins by applying a waterproofing membrane across the top of the concrete ring beam. Next, skilled workers install timber beams, which serve as roof and ceiling joists. Each beam is placed carefully across the building's width, resting firmly on the ring beam. The spacing is calculated according to structural requirements to support the eventual roofing weight. Using scaffolding and safety platforms, workers align and fix these beams securely with metal brackets, lag screws, and anchor bolts, ensuring stability against lateral loads such as wind or seismic movement. Additional blocking and cross-bracing between joists are added to stiffen the assembly. These components help distribute point loads evenly and prevent twisting or flexing under pressure. Beyond their role in supporting the roof, the joists also act as a horizontal diaphragm, tying the structure together and stabilizing the masonry walls by limiting their lateral deflection during external stresses. As the framework solidifies, the builders transition to the pitched roof assembly, a stage that combines precision carpentry with engineering finesse. The roof's triangular geometry demands accurate cuts and perfect alignment of each timber element. This creates a unified, self-supporting shell that efficiently channels vertical and horizontal forces down into the reinforced masonry and ring beams below. The chosen hip roof design provides exceptional wind resistance due to its aerodynamic shape, which minimizes uplift, while its continuous slopes allow rain and snow to slide off effortlessly. Every rafter joint at the hips and ridge lines is reinforced using metal connectors, gusset plates, and bolts, forming a rigid load-sharing network that resists racking and twisting. A distinct feature of this structure is the extended roof overhang, formed by projecting rafters beyond the wall edges. This design helps divert rainwater away from the walls while also offering passive cooling benefits by shading windows and walls from direct sunlight, effectively reducing indoor heat gain and improving energy efficiency. To finish, horizontal counterbattens are fixed over the rafters, followed by large OSB panels, which add shear strength and complete the roofing framework, marking yet another milestone in this fast, efficient, and remarkably well-executed home build. The roofing process begins with the installation of OSB sheets, leaving small expansion gaps between panels to accommodate natural thermal movement. Once the decking is secured, the crew moves on to layering underlayment membranes and waterproof barriers to form a resilient moisture shield beneath the roof surface. Next comes the finishing touch: asphalt shingles. This modern roofing material offers the perfect balance of flexibility, affordability, and weather resistance. Each shingle strip is carefully aligned and fastened with pneumatic nailers, ensuring a precise, overlapping pattern that guarantees proper water runoff. As the sun's warmth activates the adhesive strips beneath the shingles, they fuse together, forming a tight, wind-proof seal across the roof. Meanwhile, attention turns to the two chimneys, integral to the home's ventilation and exhaust systems. Their integration with a sloped roof requires exact craftsmanship, since the junction where the chimney meets roof is a potential weak point for water intrusion. To counter this, flashing systems combining durable metal sheets and waterproof membranes are installed, directing rainwater safely away from these sensitive intersections. With the roof sealed and weather-tight, work transitions to the interior flooring. The process begins with meticulous preparation of the subfloor, ensuring the surface is clean, level, and ready to receive the finished materials. A specialized primer is applied next, which seals the concrete's pores, minimizes dust, and enhances adhesion for subsequent layers. This step also helps manage moisture migration, an essential precaution for humidity-sensitive flooring systems. Once the primer cures, the finished flooring installation begins. Using a notch trowel, workers spread adhesive evenly beneath each plank, forming ridges that guarantee full contact and prevent hollow spots. Tile leveling spacers are inserted to maintain precise alignment and spacing, ensuring the finished floor remains smooth and seamless. The flooring layout mimics staggered wood planks, a design that not only looks elegant but also distributes loads evenly and allows for subtle expansion with temperature changes. He is carefully installing brown ceramic tiles in the porch area right near the main door entrance. Each tile is precisely aligned to create a clean, uniform pattern that complements the exterior design of the house. Before placing them, he spreads a thin layer of tile adhesive using a notched trowel, ensuring strong bonding and even thickness. As he lays each tile, spacers are used to maintain consistent grout lines, giving the surface a professional finish. The rich, earthy brown tones of the tiles blend beautifully with the surrounding materials, adding warmth and elegance to the entryway. Once the tiles are set, he checks the alignment with a spirit level, making small adjustments to keep the surface perfectly level. This meticulous process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the porch, but also improves its durability and functionality, providing a slip-resistant and easy-to-clean surface that welcomes guests in style. Outside, the focus shifts to landscaping, the final touch that completes the home's transformation. The garden preparation begins with clearing rocks, roots, and leftover debris. Then, the topsoil is aerated and enriched, improving drainage and promoting healthy root development. This stage isn't purely decorative. It plays an essential role in stabilizing the site's microclimate and supporting long-term foundation integrity by managing surface water flow. Once the terrain is graded, gentle slopes are formed for both drainage efficiency and visual harmony. Around trees and walkways, the team refines the ground for accessibility and stability. After tree planting, smaller shrubs and herbaceous plants are added for texture and color. Finally, a smooth layer of fine topsoil is spread, followed by fresh sod, instantly transforming the site into a vibrant green landscape. Once the ground is compacted and leveled, the paving units are placed with precision, maintaining uniform joint gaps to accommodate natural expansion and contraction. With every component now complete from the watertight roof to the lush garden, the inexpensive house stands fully finished, just in time to face the coming snow, a perfect example of efficiency, craftsmanship, and smart design working together in harmony. The final stage of exterior work focuses on installing the paved surfaces that complete the home's look and function. Before laying the pavers, the team carefully prepares the subgrade, excavating to the proper depth while accounting for the base and paving thickness. Any weak soil, organic matter, or loose areas are removed to ensure long-term stability and prevent uneven settling. After installation, a fine layer of jointing or polymeric sand is swept into the seams, locking each paver in place through lateral friction and strengthening the entire surface. This paved perimeter isn't just practical, it serves several purposes. It channels rainwater away from the foundation, provides a smooth and durable walking path, and adds a clean architectural finish that seamlessly connects the house and the landscape garden. From soil preparation to the final stone, every step reflects Legion Craft's craftsmanship and attention to detail, transforming raw terrain into a harmonious, functional, and beautifully finished outdoor environment.